Say for example, if I want to have a linear search, the basic needs, let me tell you. So in this session, I will be discussing what exactly searching is all about and what are the different types of search that we have. Okay, I should give 4. That's what you need to remember. Not supposed to give. Alright, so I will be comparing with the mid value. If the mid value is greater than the item, then I will make the mid value as a upper bound. Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to the next important session with respect to array strings and functions. So hope you have seen the previous sessions, what we have discussed with respect to the arrays and the basics of arrays especially. So guys, then what is that I have in this session? So let's check. So in this session, I will be discussing what exactly searching is all about and what are the different types of search that we have. Especially, I will be discussing about the linear search and also I will be discussing about the binary search. So please make a note of it. So let's start what exactly we have. Searching. So we have the topic called searching. What exactly searching is all about. Say for example, so we have already discussed, we have something called arrays. This is what we have discussed, right? So this is an array, all right? So name of the array is A, 0, 1, 2, 3. So do I have more than one element inside the arrays? Yes, of course, I have 4 elements inside the array. That is 10, 20, 30, 40. So when I have more than one element, I need to search for one particular item. So that process is what I will call it as a searching. So I have 4, okay? Among these 4, do I have the item which I want? So the process of searching for a particular item is what I will call it as searching. So fine. How many types of searching do we have? Here I have 2 types of searching. One is linear search. Another one is binary search. We also call this linear search as sequential search. Alright, so let's understand this type of search, this types of search individually one by one. Alright, so fine. So what is the first one that I have? I have the linear search. It's very simple. What exactly linear search is all about? Say for example, I have 100 CDs. I need to play a song like DDLJ. So what I will be doing, I have 100 movie CDs I have. So what I'll be doing, so first I will take the first one. I will check, is it DDLJ CD? No. I will go to the second CD. I will check. I'll go to the third CD. I will check. Fourth, fifth, sixth. One by one, sequentially, I will be checking. So that is what I will call it as a linear search. That's what I will call it as a linear search. It's very simple to understand. So let's take an example and understand this. Say for example, if I want to have a linear search, the basic needs, let me tell you. So let's understand what exactly linear search is all about. So let's understand this very clearly. Listen to me carefully. So first, before I start my linear search, basically what should I have? So first thing that I should have is an array. What is that I should have? I should have an array. That's the first thing that I should have. The second thing what I should have, the limit of the array. What is the next thing that I should have? The limit of the array. So limit in the sense, how many number of elements that I should have in the array. That is a limit. Alright, then after that, what is the next thing that I should have? If I want to perform the linear search, what is the element that you want to search? That is what I will call it as a item. Say for example, I need to search for the item 10. So item is equal to 10. So fine. So I have an array and then I know how many elements will be there in the array and then what is the element that I have to search. So this is the basic thing that I should know before I start my linear search. So fine, what is that I have? Imagine I have the array, okay? I have the array. So fine, this is my array, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the index. The name of the array is A. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is the items that I have stored inside the array. Now, I need to search for this item. What do I do now? So I need to search if, let me just write it here. Okay. So what should be the condition I have to write? So if A of I is equal to item. Sir, what is the meaning of it? What is this? I have written A of I. A of I in the sense, A in the sense array. I in the sense what? So I don't know, sir. So far, listen to me carefully. Now I will write the for loop. I is equal to 0. I is less than or equal to 4. I plus plus. What happens here? So what is the I value now? Do I have only one item? No, I don't have one item. I have many items. So I have to compare this many number of times. How many number of times you have to compare? So till the index is 4. Till the index is 4, I have to compare. So fine. So that's why I have given the condition as 4. So let me explain that clearly. Listen to me now. So fine, I have the I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0 right now, and it will check the condition is true, and then after that it will come inside A of I. A of I in the sense, what is I value? I value is 0. So I value is 0. A of I in the sense 10. A of I in the sense 10. I value is 0. A of 0 in the sense what? A of 0 is equal to 10 right now here. Alright, so A of 0 is equal to item. What is the item value? Item value is 10. So A of I is equal to 10? Yes, it is true. Alright, if this condition is true, I will print F element found or item found. Alright, after that I will use break statement. It will come out of searching. It will come out of searching. Else. So this is how I will be doing the linear search. Then how do we do the binary search? So guys, binary search is very simple. Say for example, I have the array. So what happens when I have the array? The initial one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, the name of the array is A. So this is what I will call it as a lower bound. This is what I will call it as a lower bound. This is what I will call it as a upper bound. So guys, when I want to perform this binary search, what is that I do? I need to calculate the mid value. How do I calculate the mid value? So I calculate upper bound plus lower bound divided by 2. So which will give me the mid value. So fine. I have calculated the mid value. Then what do I do with keeping this mid value? So I will be finding the mid value here, and then I will start comparing the item with the mid value. Suppose my item, whatever I have, all right. So I will be comparing with the mid value. If the mid value is greater than the item, then I will make the mid value as a upper bound. So I will be repeating this step again and again, I will get the item. So this is case number 1. When it comes to the case number 2, suppose if my mid value is lesser than the item, then I will make the mid value as a lower bound. Then I will start calculating the mid value, and I will be calculating the mid value, and I will be repeating this step again and again until I get my value. So this is how I will be performing the binary search, my dear students. By this, I have come to an end of this session. Thank you very much.